Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a water pump on a Toyota Prius. First, make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns. You'll need a few basic tools, including a 10 mm socket, a torque wrench, and a drain pan for the coolant. Safety is key, so disconnect the 12-volt auxiliary battery located in the trunk. This prevents any accidental electrical issues while you work. Having everything ready beforehand makes the process much smoother and quicker. Now that you're prepared, let's get to draining the coolant. Place a large drain pan under the radiator drain cock and open it to allow the coolant to flow out. Once the system is empty, you can proceed to remove the serpentine belt. Use a tensioner tool to release the tension and carefully slip the belt off the water pump pulley. Finally, unbolt the old water pump, usually held by 3 or 4 bolts, and gently pull it away from the engine block. With the old pump out, it's time for the new one. First, clean the mounting surface on the engine block to ensure a good seal. Apply a new gasket to the new water pump and carefully position it. Secure the bolts, tightening them to the manufacturer's specified torque, which is typically around 15 foot-pounds. Reinstall the serpentine belt, ensuring it's correctly routed over all pulleys. Finally, refill the cooling system with the proper coolant, bleeding any air out as you go. After everything is installed, perform a thorough inspection for any leaks around the new water pump. Start the engine and let it run for a few minutes, keeping an eye on the temperature gauge and checking for any drips. Once you're confident, take your Prius for a short test drive to ensure everything is functioning correctly and the engine maintains its optimal operating temperature. For those who love to read, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading on the go, and you can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.